I got off the train and said goodbye to the man I'd met. We'd been together for 18 hours and had a pleasant conversation, fellowship in the journey, and I was sorry to get off, sorry to leave this chance friend whose name I never learned. I felt my eyes water with tears. Every farewell is a death. Yes, every farewell is a death. In the train that we call life, we are all chance events in one another's lives, and we all feel sorry when it's time to get off. All that is human moves me because I'm a man. All that is human moves me not because I have an affinity with human ideas or human doctrines, but because of my infinite fellowship with humanity itself. The maid who hated to go, crying with nostalgia for the house where she'd been mistreated. All of this inside my heart is death and the world's sadness. All of this lives because it dies inside my heart, and my heart is a little larger than the entire universe.